Okay, I'm starting the next heart design. I've got a piece of glass here. It's kind of a little bit purple. It's already broke and kind of at a weird angle. So I'm going to start with that. And then I'm going to add different components till I get something that looks... and I have lots of different things to choose from because I buy a lot of different things. I'm thinking I'm going to put some of these beads on here. These are some kind of ceramic beads that I've had a long time. I'm going to move them around, kind of get them kind of in a little bit of a shape, maybe. Let's see how that's looking. Looking pretty good. Now if we put some more over here, gives it a little bit of a little more contrast, and so I'm going to kind of put some beads down that way. Maybe another one there. Now, I don't really want it to look just like a bunch of beads on a piece of glass, so I want to try to do something to give it a little more that so there's kind of the start of my idea for the design. So let me look at some other materials and see what we've got, see if that we can do something a little bit different. Let me walk around looking. I usually just walk around looking all my rocks and different things that I have to find something that I think would work in each design. So let me take a look here. Okay, I've walked around. I found a piece of wingy wood. This is a dark black wood, so I think I'm going to use that in here. Not sure exactly where it's going to go. I think it's going to go right here. And I had another piece that's a little bit thinner, but I think I'm going to use this thicker piece. So let me see what we can do. Okay, I'm laying this out a little bit more. I put the wingay wood underneath there. I put a wire in between here, purple, and then I put some of these zirconias right there. So I'm trying to get the look that I want. So anyway, just a little bit, a step closer to getting there. So let me keep looking for stuff to put on here to get the right look. So just a second, be back. Okay, now I've added some river rock, polished or semi-polished river rock, and I got my cubic zirconias in here. So it's just kind of trying to get it laid out to what I might think would be the best for this particular design. I kind of think that I'm going to use this probably a black and white ebony heart on this one. So let's just stick it on there and just see how it looks. We'll raise it up, give it a little different dimension. So something like that. Let's see how that's going to look. I think that's going to look pretty nice. We might need to change this over onto this side. So this is going to be, still got to figure out how I want to do this correct. And then we'll have to put something in here at the background. Not sure what I'm going to use there. I may use some obsidian stone in between here and take a look at it. But that's going to be a nice one, a little bit different. I like this black and white ebony. This is I've got another one over here. I got some other stuff there that this is the, I think I cut two of these. Let's see. Yeah. And I could, probably won't, but I could put 2 hearts in here. Well, I might. And give it a double heart. Or just keep it a single. Let's see. Anyway, that's going to probably get closer to the shape that I'm looking for, or the design. So anyway, let me keep working on it. Then I'll come back and show you the next step that I've kind of come up with. Okay, I've cut out a 3/8 inch piece of MDF here to put underneath for the base of this particular this heart, and I've kind of got I brought my glass up. I wanted to bring it up, so I spaced it up. This is just temporary spaced up here, and this is purple heart right here, so I've got a piece of purple heart that I'll mount the glass to. And so I got the Wingay, I got the cubic zirconias, I got it kind of pretty well laid out now, so I've got to decide what I'm going to put in between here to get it to look like I want it to look. So anyway, the black and white ebony heart, and it's taking shape. So let me keep working on it and finishing up the design, and then we'll finish up gluing it. But I'll step you through it as I go through each step, so you can see kind of what I'm doing. But I've got it kind of, it's going to have about 2 or 3 dimensions, so it doesn't look flat against the wall. I always like to have stuff give it a little more look at me there. So anyway, back in a little bit. Okay, I'm doing taking some obsidian stones, doing a little test to see how that would look with what I'm doing. And I'm not sure I'm gonna like that, but anyway, that's kind of just to give a little bit of a different look, see what it's gonna be. Let me try some other stuff and then we'll take a look. Okay, now I'm using I'm on this upper part, I'm testing with some purple glitter. I'm not sure that purple's coming through very good on this camera. Looks kind of blue to me, but it's a very, very dark purple. And I'm looking at the obsidian and then the dark purple glitter, which I'm just sprinkling it on there to test it. This is all a test, just to see if this is the look that I'm after. So got quite a bit more to do, but it's looking pretty nice. I'm kind of leaning towards the glitter for some reason, but anyway. Okay, I can't remember where I left off here, so I'm just going to do a quick review. I got the stones here. I got everything laid out. I'm probably going to go with this purple glitter. I'm thinking that's looking pretty good. I'm going to do something a little bit different with these purple beads. So I'll show you that here in a little bit. I've got some wire in it, but I've got an idea to kind of give it a little more dimension and look at me. And so I'm going to recess these cubic zirconias down into this is 3/8 inch MDF for my backer board that I'm using on this piece. So let me go to the next step, and then I'll keep you updated. Okay, I got some the base plate for the heart. I've got the background on, I've put the I sprayed some Kilz on there, Kilz paint to seal the MFB board, the backer board, and then I've put some purple paint on it, and then I've added the purple glitter to get the look that I'm looking for. Still got quite a few steps to go. Check back in a little bit and we'll take the next step. Okay, I'm adding a little silver glitter around the outside edges of the backer board on this particular heart. This one's going to be a very unique, shiny, one-of-a-kind piece. They're all one-of-a-kind, but enjoying making this one. Keep working on it, letting this dry, and we'll step through for the next step. Okay, I'm here at the next step. I've got the background board completed. I've got, this is purple glitter on the inside. We've got silver glitter on the outside. I've glued the stones on, and I haven't glued the zirconias on yet. I've just got them sitting there. I glued the main two boards. This is Purple Heart and this is Wingay wood, and we're still going to put the still got to come up with the stained glass, put it in, and then put the heart on. So we're getting closer, but still some more steps, but it's looking very, very nice, very interesting. So anyway, let me finish up a little bit more and we'll get back to it. Okay, back out here on the I've made some pieces out of aluminum, purple aluminum wire, and these beads, and I've attached them to the piece right here on the Wingay wood so that they don't fall off. They're not glued on. They kind of have a balance. This side I put them up to where they kind of have a floating look. So now all I've got to do left is we've got to glue the glass in right here. So I'm gonna be gluing the glass piece in here in just a little bit, and then we've got to put our heart in. Now I've got a call coming in. I have to wait and see. Probably they can wait. I'll call them back later. Anyway, this is looking very good. I've got to polish the heart yet, and here we'll do the next step here shortly. Okay, here's the black and white ebony. I just polished it all up. Beautiful, beautiful wood, black and white ebony. I've got it ready to go. It's got to be mounted right here. I have to put a piece up here to get it mounted. But anyway, looking very good here shortly. Okay, I just mounted the black and white ebony heart on top of the glass. I've got it, it's kind of a three-dimensional, so if you can see it's raised up. There's 3 levels. It's beautiful, turned out great. It turned out really nice. I mean, got to let it dry. Just got through gluing it all up, and then we'll put a hanger on it, and we'll hang it on the wall and do a little details here and there, and then I'll show it to you here shortly. Okay, I just got through putting the triangle hanging bracket up on the heart purple. I'm gonna have to give this a name, a purple glitter heart or something. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but anyway, it's complete, looks gorgeous. Can't wait to get it on the Etsy site and get the video up for you to take a look at it. Be sure and click on the link below in my description on the YouTube channel if you want to take a look at this on the Etsy site. It'll link you right to it. Of course, it's one of a kind. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, or if you don't like it, don't do anything. But anyway, subscribe if you want to see more videos coming of each design of the different heart wall just to say I love you collection. So anyway, have a blessed day. Look forward to more videos.